Halor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Ejahar University, Meghalaya.
Ki Pulit kila register kes ya ke Ejahar bala mudui Pyrshah ya we nong sajan hadian ba ka we ka Samla Pule internship kala keno ba ulah kudup jubor ya ka ba ketaru nak benta Jrong kentai ha ka chamba jung u kabadon ha kiting road Shlong USPCT ba dangsan krem ha ka nya kren ba kilap thai khubor ha ka alphanetrik naitung arja punriu ulai thu ba ya ka ujor bala mudui ha ka alphanetrik naitung arja punriu la register kes ha po ki kendon jong ka an BNS ulai thu ru baki Pulit menta kila pelong yang kajing toket ban pan sakhi sabut ru nak Samla ka ba ujor Pyrshah ya unong sajan
28th of July 2026 we had received a written complaint from one law intern that one of the that in the chamber of the advocate located at Kiting Road near Goenka Engineering Works, that while she was sitting there with her other co-interns and all, that the advocate had called her to his chamber, to his room, and then he had tried to molest her. However, she resisted and pushed him, and then after which she was asked again to come inside the room where he again tried to molest her, apparently, and then she had raised an alarm and had seek help from her friends. However, then further, the alleged accused had tried to pay money, apparently, as per the written complaint to her, and also insisted on meeting him again on Saturday. However, after the incident, the complainant left in a distressed condition and informed her friends about the happening, and then she had written a written complaint in which it was registered in Sadar PS as Sadar PS case number 265 under 74 and 75 BNS.
Bernihat ne bernihat wat karukom thoru kalaya pher ka bernihat ba tho du wai ka don ha Meghalaya henry ka bernihat ba tho du yupat ka don ha Assam ka we ka nong ba henry la phya liang du pu du sam chungki jilla house name hajar prasau ka kai phot ka pirthei ka lapni ka kirteng ka bernihat ha kamat henry ka khubo ka jingsha bonsin laklet but shimla la ban pin pau
nama email de laslam de ladon hi jaga sanpho kumbangi kinong song iti bi ba ka berni ka hap lang bat ka border Assam hindi ban ong ba kal air ka one way tang na Assam ni tang na Meghalaya kalong hap reng mo ba hap lang ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam border
ki karkhana badon hagani ka nong baru ki long ki bala benta habdeng arjela ka jingyar ka long kumba 100 square kilometer na pedeng gani 8.2 square kilometer the hab hapo Ripoi district ha Meghalaya kat balai point khat like square kilometer kabasa ka hab hapo ka Kamrup metropolitan district ha Assam banpin bet ye kamat jong ka jinglong jingman jong ka leer ka Meghalaya state pollution control board kadang pet ngon man la ka por ka CEA QMS continuous ambient air quality monitoring station bat ka manual monitoring station ki pet patho ya ka jinglong jingman jokal air klem sange
kadero kabajan bahabat ka border Assam tanglai 100 kilometer ni don bat ka border Assam kajing per jongkal air kala don sibun kala duna sibun kala kham khoj kala kham pangat nang takini kiding kisi ru dangi pet menta bat ki por ki ba mensua em kala ya per sibun kila terngam ba ka pollution ta kadan ba sisin ba kila don ki factory mo ya tangim la balen re ban ang hadu ba kandak ta hadu kata-kata ko makimi kini dia long ngi tengim lar ban ya menjur
hakador ba jong ka ying dor ba thau an menteri rangba ka chila ong bo la tho menteri rangba ka Assam ban thau ye ka joint committee
यहाँ का जो रियल फैक्ट है जो मतलब मेन पोल्यूशन था जो फैक्ट्री था पहला मतलब रहने का मुश्किल हो गया था यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट ने भी बीच में बहुत सारा फैक्ट्री शट डाउन कर दिया लेकिन पहला से बहुत अभी थोड़ा रिलीफ है शांति है रहने के लिए
kal air ka bayat kam sange haupo usam henry ban ong ba bernihat Meghalaya ka de ka nong ba ka ba jabo tam ka penyalam bakla ye gibreo